Today in this video I am going to tell you how you can deploy your website to AWS Cloud. For this we will be using the EC2 service along with the S3 service to upload our website. First we will create an S3 bucket. For this just search for S3 and click on it. Now we will create a new S3 bucket by clicking on the Create Bucket button. Create a bucket name. Click on ACL Enabled. Uncheck Block All Public Access and acknowledge. Enable bucket versioning and click on Create Bucket. Now you have successfully created an S3 bucket. Just click on the name of the bucket that you just made. The S3 bucket is empty, so now we will upload our website here. The website will be uploaded in the zip format. Make sure that the zip file includes all the files needed for the website. For this video I am using a free web template from template.mo, but you can use your own website, but make sure to have it in the zip format. Click on Add Files and select the zip file of your website from your computer. Click on Upload. Your file is now uploaded to the S3 bucket. Now we will use this file in our EC2 instance. Once the file is uploaded, click on the name of the file and then copy the object URL. For now I am just going to keep this tab open in the browser so that I can copy later. Now we will create an EC2 instance. For this just search for EC2 and click on it. Click on Launch Instance to create a new instance and give it a name. Make sure that AWS Linux is selected. Now click on Create New Key Pair and give it a name. Then click on PPK file format and create key pair, then download the PPK file. Make sure to check the Allow HTTPS and HTTP traffic. Then click on Launch Instance to create the EC2 instance. Click Refresh to check the state of the instance. Make sure the instance is running. Once the instance starts, click on the instance ID and then connect. If you get any connection error, try refreshing the page. Now let us start writing the Linux commands. All the commands will be given in the description. We got an error. The error says that we do not have the permissions to use the object in the S3 bucket. To resolve the issue, we will go to the permissions section of the S3 bucket, then edit and then check all the read and write permissions and acknowledge.
Select the zip file name and right-click on it and copy.
Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V will not work here, so right-click to copy and paste. Now copy your public IP and paste it in your browser.